In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to your Ticketmaster account. To get started, open the Ticketmaster website in your browser or launch the Ticketmaster app on your phone. Once you're there, sign into your account using your usual login details. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving on, especially if you use more than one email or profile for ticket purchases. After you're signed in, go to your account settings. You can usually do this by selecting your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, choose My Account or Account Settings. The exact label may look a little different depending on whether you're using the website or the mobile app, but you're looking for the main area where your personal account information is managed. Next, find the payment section. This might be called Payment Options, Wallet, or Saved Payment Methods. Ticketmaster's wording can vary by region or device, so don't worry if it doesn't match exactly. Just look for the section that stores your payment details for faster checkout in the future. Once you're in the right place, select Add Payment Method or Add Credit Card. This will open a form where you can enter your card information. You'll need to type in the cardholder name, the credit card number, the expiration date, the security code, and the billing address connected to the card. As you enter everything, take your time and double check for typing mistakes, since even a small error can prevent the card from being saved correctly. When all the details are filled in, review the information carefully. If everything looks correct, click Save, Add Card, or Update, depending on what button appears on your screen. This submits the card to your account and stores it as a payment option. In some cases, your bank may ask for an extra verification step before the card can be added. If that happens, follow the on-screen prompts. You might need to approve the action in your banking app or enter a one-time verification code. This is a normal security step and helps protect your account and payment information. Finally, return to the payment methods section and confirm that your new credit card appears in your Save Payment options. If you can see it listed there, that means the process was successful.